What's up, y'all? It's iWong815, and today you're looking at a live cop. This is 30 seconds left before the drop. Actually, 10 seconds left on like Snipes and Sheik, but about 30 seconds on DTLR. So as you can see there, I already had them in cart on Sheik. If you need to rewind, but I already had them in cart, and you can see that in my old video. But what I showed was, boom, it was just stuck on this shipping screen, and you'll see how I got over that later. But then on Snipes, we were in line, and DTLR was a couple seconds behind. So I refreshed, and boom, it's still loading. It's still saying coming soon. As everything else is going on the screen. What we'll see is, you can see the bot that we made. Boom, added to cart. Right when DTLR got ready, and then I haven't been in the game for a while. We just made this bot right when I came back. I was like, let's test it out. I didn't even know where the cart was on DTLR. So then I'm doing the capture. Draw a box around the thing that's different. I did. I was tripping though because it was sideways. And then it was like, nah, do it again. So this one I had to think a little bit. As you can see, that shipping thing over there was just going all types of crazy. But then DTLR, okay, we're past the capture. It's saying we're in line to check out, 3 minutes. They got a Shopify checkout. I don't know exactly how they do their checkout screen, but it was good. You know, it was smooth. So then you can see, yeah, I had the 9.5s in cart. I had them 12 hours before, and so I added them like 5 minutes before. And so I was like, you know what, right when it's 10 o'clock, I'm going to check out. But it didn't work because of that shipping screen. You see how there's a checkout with PayPal over there? If you got to rewind, okay, right there, checkout with PayPal, that yellow button. If I clicked that earlier, I feel like it would have worked because that's how I ended up getting a 7.5. So I got two 9.5s and one 7.5. So I hit 3 for 3. The bot is a 4-in-1. It's got all these 4 sites, or all these 3, including Shoe Palace. Not including Dark Side Initiative, but I could definitely add that. But Shoe Palace, they were sold out before 10 a.m. So I don't know if they were doing like early drops or whatever, but yeah. So then I'm doing my Dark Side Initiative. I'm like, yo, let me try to get in here, because I was listening to a live cop stream by Unbreakable Kicks, I believe is his name. Shout out to him. It was fun listening to like a couple of live streams when people were doing this. You know, I was just trying to test out, see if the bot would work. And then I was like, you're forcing me to create an account. So I had to create an account. So there we go over there. You can see DTLR's got 1 minute left. And you can see that the time, yeah, so it's out of stock on Dark Side Initiative. But you can see the time in the top right corner that this is all one clip. So, well, it's actually 3 clips. The first clip is how I got DTLR. The second clip is me getting it on Snipes. And the third clip is me getting it on Sheik. So I cut because it would be a long video. It's already 10 minutes at this point. And bro, tell me why I ordered a 9.5 and a 13 came from DTLR. So yeah, I mean, either way, it wasn't gonna be for me, and I actually want to just sell it to y'all for retail, essentially, like including the taxes I had to pay, right, and then including the shipping I had to pay. But I don't feel like reselling these this time around. If anybody actually wants to wear them in a size 13, in a size 9.5, and in a size 7.5, I'll just sell it to you for retail plus the taxes I had to pay. You know what I'm saying? Taxes and shipping. I'll probably run some kind of like raffle. Like, comment down below if you want it, if you know somebody who wants it, because yeah, if you want these shoes, then I mean, if you want them to wear, then you know, I'm gonna help y'all out, and I'm gonna try to find some kind of way to like prove that it's y'all. So, oh yeah. So prove that you actually wear that size, so you're not just buying it to flip. So you can see on DTLR that I was in the checkout screen, I was selecting shipping, now I'm selecting pay. Boom. That was really fast, but if you want to pause, you can see that, I got the confirmation and it all pulled up. I blacked out the order number and stuff, and all these gray screens is blocking out my personal info. So you can see on Snipes now, so we 1 for 1 now, or 1 for 3. Snipes, now it's our turn, and it plays this sound. You can see that little icon in the tab up there. The site is refreshing. And then Snipes, it takes a while anyways to load. But yeah, you can see I didn't click anything. It just got it right into my cart. Boom, into my bag. And I was just making sure there's nothing else in there. Go to bag. You can see Chic is still tripping. Click checkout. They got PayPal options there too. So now I gotta enter my email, my shipping, my payment. So it's gonna be blacked out now. But yeah, I was thinking if I was just gonna give it to y'all for retail, I want people who actually want the shoes. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how I could do it without being weird. Like, yo, send me feet pics. I'm playing, but like, for real, how do I like verify that you a 9.5? Like, I guess if you got a bunch of 9.5 boxes, but you could still just be reselling, or you could that could just be your friends. So I'm like, maybe you got like put a tag, say like, your Twitter, and then like on a post-it next to all your shoes with like 9.5s and shit. Or I could also just say fucking and just raffle it off to everybody. Because I mean, if you try to make a little bit of money too, I mean, I'm not against you. Let's see. So you can see Snipes, got it. Boom, orders placed, and then I blanked out, my personal info. So here is Chic. So I ended up just literally doing it manually because it said I first tried like a 10 or something manual on my incognito browser, and then it was out of stock, so I tried 7. And as you can see now, it's almost 10:30, and I'm still loading. Like, it still hasn't given me an error yet. At that point, I figured out like, yo, the error is in the shipping. It's lagging out, so maybe I should try checking out another way, checking out via PayPal. And on the 9.5s, I guess they had already run out by then, because when I did it, it's 10:30. It was a 10 a.m. release time. That PayPal didn't work, but I was like, yo, let me just try it one more time. Let me see if I can go 3 for 3, excluding Shoe Palace. I mean, this one I guess I didn't use the bot on, but I was like, I had it in cart before it was even 10 a.m. So it was like a half victory for the bot. But yeah, now I have the PayPal, so I just brought that up. I brought up my messages too, so that's why I blacked out the other half of my screen. Now you're looking at nothing. But yeah, I had a one-time passcode sent to me to log into PayPal. Then I'm just doing PayPal stuff on there. And yeah, this is a pretty chaotic morning. First time back into it. I mean, I'm grateful, you know what I'm saying? And the bot, I listed it literally for only I listed it at first for $20, and then I put it at 15, just because I wanted someone to purchase it. It was my first time coming back in 8 years. I was like, yo, somebody gotta try this out. And then so one person got it, and they actually also got a pair of DTLR, the one that was easiest, the fastest one that just got bought it straight away the moment it hit. So yeah, I mean, it was a real good morning. Let me know in the comments again if you want, pretty much for the retail. If you're interested in the bot, And I got a free Shoe Palace one that you can test out as well. So check out my channel. It's I1A15. Catch y'all later. Peace.